Canada holds first PNP Express entry draw of February 2026. Canada has officially moved into its next phase of express entry selections for 2026, with Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada conducting a new draw focused entirely on provincial nominee program candidates. 3rd February 2026, selection is particularly important because it is the first PNP Express entry draw of February, the 4th Express entry draw of the year overall, and the 3rd PNP specific Express entry draw conducted in 2026. This continuing pattern confirms that Canada is maintaining a highly targeted immigration strategy focused on candidates who already have strong economic ties to the country. 3rd February PNP Express entry draw, key numbers. In this latest draw, IRCC issued 423 invitations to apply for permanent residence to candidates nominated by provinces. To qualify, candidates needed a minimum comprehensive ranking system score of 749 and must have submitted their express entry profile before 16 December 2025 at 10:30 p.m. UTC. The high CRS cutoff is expected for PNP draws because provincial nominees automatically receive an additional 600 CRS points, pushing them into the highest ranking tiers of the express entry pool. How this draw fits into 2026 express entry trends. Looking at the broader picture, this draw continues a very clear trend that has defined express entry activity so far in 2026. Every draw this year has been targeted. Instead of large all-program selections, IRCC has focused specifically on Canadian Experience Class candidates and provincial nominee program candidates. This approach allows Canada to prioritize applicants who are already contributing to the labour market or have been selected by provinces based on regional workforce shortages. So far, no all-program express entry draw has taken place in 2026, which is a major shift compared to earlier years. Previous express entry draws conducted this year. Before this February selection, Canada had already conducted several major draws in January. The year began with the 5th January PNP draw, where 574 candidates were invited with a CRS cutoff of 711. Just 2 days later, on 7 January, IRCC conducted a massive Canadian Experience Class draw, issuing 8,000 invitations with a CRS cutoff of 511. Later in the month, another PNP draw took place on 20th January, inviting 681 candidates with a CRS score of 746. This was followed by another major CEC draw on 21st January, where 6,000 candidates were invited with a CRS cutoff of 509. These early draws significantly reshaped the express entry pool and reduced pressure at higher CRS ranges. Total invitations issued so far in 2026. With this latest February draw included, Canada has already issued tens of thousands of invitations in 2026. The majority of these invitations have gone to Canadian Experience Class candidates, while PNP invitations continue to provide fast-track opportunities for candidates nominated by provinces. This reflects Canada's strategy of converting temporary residents and provincially selected workers into permanent residents faster. Historically, earlier draws are important because permanent residence processing can take several months, meaning early invitations help Canada meet annual immigration targets. Why Canada is prioritizing PNP and in Canada candidates. The reason behind this targeted strategy is strongly tied to labour market planning. Provinces use nomination programs to fill specific shortages, while the federal government ensures these candidates transition quickly into permanent residence. This also supports regional economic growth and helps smaller provinces and communities attract and retain skilled workers. As a result, provincial nominations are becoming one of the strongest advantages in express entry selection. What this means for express entry candidates. For candidates currently in the express entry pool, 2026 trends suggest that provincial nominations and Canadian work experience will continue to play a major role in selection outcomes. Candidates without these advantages may need to focus more on improving language scores, gaining Canadian work experience, or targeting provincial immigration streams aligned with their occupation. With many provinces still finalizing their annual nomination strategies, more targeted draws are expected throughout the year. Conclusion. Canada's first PNP Express entry draw of February shows that the country is continuing with precision-based immigration selections in 2026. For applicants, this means planning smart, staying competitive, and focusing on pathways that align with Canada's labour market priorities will be more important than ever. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.